So today I'm going to teach you how you can clean your keyboard. Now take this, something like this. If you don't have this, you can use any other type. Gently spray it 2 to 3 times on the speaker side because here is very dirty. You can see it. Use your old brush. Just keep on brushing it. Keep on brushing it gently. Gently. You can see it's very dirty. So after that, take wiper and wipe it gently. Gently and hold it like this with one of your finger. Clean it like this. Gently to avoid breaking any of the keys. So gently. Not like this, but like this. Then after that, like this again to clean the black keys. The screen side. Then after that, take a dry hanky and wipe it. Yeah, this is cool. Thank you.